Alright guys, it's maintenance time with PA, so we're going to change the rear diff fluid on the 2020 Canam Renegade 1000. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're going to be using the Royal Purple 75-140 for the rear diff. It calls for 250 milliliters. There's three ways I've seen this done. You can either hold the bottle horizontal and squeeze it in the rear diff. First time I did that, made a complete mess. The second option is to buy a pump that sits on top of the bottle, and basically you pump it in manually. The third option is to use an electronic pump, which is what we're going to do, and pump it into the rear diff. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right guys, so this down here is your drain plug. I used a 5mm, you can also use a 3/16. This up here is your fill plug, and it is a 6mm. All right guys, and also there's a washer, just like on for when you do your oil changes, that you want to make sure that you have. Don't want to lose that. You want to keep that together. All right guys, so we're about to pull the drain plug. 5mm Allen does the trick, so you don't have to pull off the hitch or anything. There she goes. That's what we're looking at. But we're gonna let that drain for a little bit and we'll catch back up with you. We're gonna go ahead and fill this up. This requires 250 milliliters of 75-140. All right guys, I'm gonna use some super clean floor absorbent on some of the oil, gear oil spilled. Get it down now.
Minutes later.
Fill her up. You can tell when it's full when it starts overfilling. So if you don't measure it out, a good way to know that it's full is when it's spilling out. So it starts spilling out and we're done. Now we just gotta clean it up. All right guys, and that's how you change the rear differential fluid on a 2020 Canam Renegade 1000. And that's just another day hanging out with your boy PA. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.